Now, one of the things we do a lot of in visual metaphors is we make a lot of arrows. Now, arrows are great because they're a precise way to point our label to a specific part of the graphic. And I'm going to go ahead and show you a very quick and easy way to make arrows for visual metaphors. So we are in Figma here, and I already have a blank frame. And I'm going to navigate over here to my shape tools and click on that drop down and select ellipse. The keyboard shortcut for that is the letter O. And I am going to click and drag a circle. Now it's important that we make a perfect circle so our arrow doesn't end up being a little bit distorted. So I'm going to hold the shift key to make sure that this is a perfectly symmetrical circle. And I'm going to let go. And what we're going to do is we're going to remove our fill and add a stroke. So I'm going to make this stroke with a width of 20. Now here's the critical step. We are going to double click our circle, and you're going to notice that we have 4 points on our circle when we've double clicked on it. We are in the edit mode right now. And so I am going to click on this top point and I'm going to hit delete. Then I'm going to click on this left point and I'm going to hit delete again. And so now what we're left with is just this quarter of a circle. The next step is to go over here in our start point and our end point, and I am going to make one of them an arrow. And I'm going to use the triangle arrow. You can use either arrow that you prefer. I'm going to use the triangle arrow. That's my preferred one. And on the other end, I'm actually going to make it a rounded point. And I like rounded points because it just looks a little bit cleaner to my eye. This is a square point, and here it is with a round point. And I'm going to go ahead and hit Shift 1 to zoom back out. And then I'm going to hit Done. Now we have an arrow that we can use wherever we want, and we can rotate it by taking our mouse and hovering to the outside of this blue bounding box. If I click and drag, and I can rotate it as I need to, and I can flip it if I would like. If I right click on this and I click flip horizontal, it will rotate it to the other side. And then so I can move it around, I can scale it. Now as I scale it, I want to make sure to hold that shift key if I want to maintain that perfect arc. So you can take this, copy it, paste it, and you can have a few arrows over in a different document, copy and paste it, reuse it as you need to even speed up your process even more.